Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and you might not learn too much about this video. I'm basically doing it for one person. She's a friend of mine that sends me some work, and she learned how to draw in Corel Draw, and I've been meaning to tell her about this, and I cut these out for her on my laser, and it's not that big a deal, but it's a little bit irritating because when it cuts it out, it cuts and the laser moves around and cuts again, and today I took the time to correct it, and I thought I would show her. And you might learn this if you run into this ever. So I'm going to go to arrange. I'm going to ungroup this. When you grab your shape tool, you can see some problems. There are like 3 nodes on top of each other right here. And if we zoom in here, I guess the untrained eye might not be able to see that, but right there I can see the lines thicker. And if you click on there with the shape tool, there are some nodes that are in there that don't need to be in there. You know, if you look, there's a double line there. So it doesn't really matter, but I thought I'd show her how to fix that. And let's just get this out of the way. I'm going to set my nudge factor, and these are identical. I do the front and the back for her. It's pretty convenient. She's learned how to draw in Corel pretty good and draws these up. And the way I would fix it, let's set our nudge factor on 2 inches. And we broke this apart, and let's take our bicycle and just move it down 2 inches. Then I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, I'm going to fill this in. And then I'm going to move it over 2 inches, and I'm going to left click, right click, and now you don't have those problems. The 3 nodes are there, but it's not going to stop the lasers. The line's not any thicker. You might actually get a better cut, and you could probably actually delete some of those lines. It doesn't really matter. So now the laser is going to go and cut around there without cutting that. I think it's cutting it twice because there's a double line there. You know, it's past the point. So let's just look again, make sure I'm correct. Let's get the shape tool and let's grab one of these nodes. And now you can see there's no double line. It's the same line. It's just got a few extra nodes it probably doesn't need. But I wouldn't take them out just in case it changes her. It's a pretty neat piece of jewelry she makes. You know, I ought to give her a hit here, but she sells this stuff, and she takes bicycle chains and wraps it around this gear, and it's a pretty neat deal. So because you put your nudge factor, you can just delete this one, and now we can take our new one and move it over, and then move our bicycle back up to 2 inches, and we're set. And then I would group that together. Anyway, I hope it helped her a little bit, and thank you for watching.